feel comfortable with. Okay? Yep. I hear a car. It's about, supposed to be something else. When we come up to 8th Street, honey, here in a car, and I'm trying to think, what is that route we come up to Main Street side?
235 or 53.